What's up, beautiful people? So guys, in today's video I am going to teach us how to earn money in one day without investment. Yes, and you know what, the crazy part of it is that the platform that I'm going to use to teach us how to earn money in one day without investment, this platform, there's possibility that 70% of us, or of you watching this video, you have that platform in your phone, but you don't know you can be able to make money using the platform. Yes, remember I said you don't need investment. Okay, that means anybody can do this. That means whether you are a stay-at-home mom, or whether you have a 9 to 5 job that you are doing, or whether you are a student, you can do that seamlessly and earn money online without investment. Yes, so what I want you to do for me is to go ahead now and click the like button of this video in exchange of the value you are going to get in today's video. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, I'm Leo, and I create videos around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to earn money online and offline. So do well to join this beautiful family, because I personally want you to join this family. So go and click on the subscription button, and please don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Okay, so remember, you don't need any investment to earn using this platform. You don't need to bring any two persons that will bring two persons that will end up bringing extra two persons before you can start earning using this platform or using this method that I'm going to teach us in today's video. So with all this being said and done, I believe you've liked the video, I believe you've subscribed to the channel. Then let's jump straight into the video. So the platform that we're going to be making use of, that is going to be paying you every day without you investing any money, is Facebook. Yes, just like I said, let me say 90 or 70% of you guys, you have this Facebook on your phone, but you probably don't know that it is going to be making you money. So I wouldn't want to waste time. Let me quickly go step by step and be listing the steps or the different ways you can be able to make money using this platform called Facebook. And the first, or the common one, is creating content. Yes, creating content. Let me use this particular account for example. This one you're seeing right now, that is called City Ballers. So this account is monetized. If they should tell you how much these people are getting, you are going to go crazy, right? So what are they doing? They are posting content, right? Yes, they're posting content. Facebook is paying them, right, for posting content. And aside Facebook paying them for posting content, people that are coming for them to advertise for them are paying them, because if you have a business and you want them to advertise for you, you are definitely going to pay them for them to advertise for you. So that is another way they make money. So you can adopt that. Okay, start posting content of yourself, start shooting video. Before you can start posting content, first and foremost, you have to pick a niche. I've been saying that, I've said that before on in one of my videos. You first and foremost need to pick a niche. You could be a finance niche, you could be a health niche, you could be, I don't know, just pick a niche. You could be comedy. Okay, just pick a niche, right, so that you don't have different type of audience. Okay, yes, so pick a niche. If it is finance, pick a finance niche. Be posting content about finance. Once you reach monetization, Facebook is definitely going to be paying you. Other businesses or maybe a platform or finance platform might still reach out to you and ask you to promote their platform, and they are definitely going to pay you for that. So that is the most common way you can make money using this platform called Facebook, right? So another way you can also make money using this platform is through Facebook marketplace. Okay, yes, so that is another way. I've made video about this Facebook marketplace, but that is another way you can actually make money. So let me click on it and open it up. So Facebook marketplace is just like GG. I don't know if you know GG. It's just like a place you can be able to post your products and make a sale, then get a profit, right? So it's another way you can be able to make money. First and foremost, the product you are supposed to be posting here is going to be your product. If you have anything you are selling, this is another place. This is an online store where you can showcase your products and then sell it and make money. Okay, yes. So but it is not must that you own the product. I'm going to let you know a crazy thing here about this Facebook marketplace. You must not own the product. you can decide to sell people's products here. Yes, you can decide where can you get the products you are going to be selling. You can decide, you can sell fairly used. Okay, let me show you this. This router here is fairly used. When you look at it, it's obvious that this is fairly used. This laptop is fairly used from how I'm seeing it. Okay, so let's go up again. This phone, from the look of things, is fairly used. This car also is, I believe this is second hand, right? So it's not much that you will sell new products. You can start with fairly used, including this cylinder you are seeing over here. It has been used. Okay, so you can start selling fairly used, just like Gigi sell fairly used. Not that Gigi doesn't sell new products, but Gigi is being known for selling fairly used. So check out for the things you are no longer making use of. Take a clean picture of it. Okay, I'm going to give you a tip. When you are snapping picture, do not, when you want to get picture of the product you want to sell. Let's say you have a phone. Okay, let's say you have a Samsung phone. That model of the phone, do not go online and download online picture of that phone. Snap that phone that you want to sell. Yes, take a clean picture of that particular phone you want to sell. That is what you are going to be uploading, right? Yes, just like this person that that wants to sell this router. As you can see that this person did not go online to download Airtel router, because if you see a downloaded picture, you are definitely going to know. So the person took a picture of that particular product that he or she wants to sell and upload it here. Okay, yes, so that is what you are going to do. Now, if you don't have any fairly used item or item you've used already that you want to sell, you can reach out to your neighbors at home, reach out to your co-workers at work, reach out to your classmates at school. Just like I said, anybody can do this. A stay-at-home mom can do it. A student can do it. Whether you have a 9 to 5 job, you can actually do this and earn money seamlessly for yourself. So you must not own the product you are going to be posting here. So when you reach out to people, in case you don't have any product you want to sell, when you reach out to people and get a product that they want to sell, they're no longer using, then you have to reach agreement with them. Let's say they want to sell phone, for example. Okay, so this particular phone, let's say, is your co-worker's phone, or your neighbor at home, the phone of your neighbor, or maybe your classmate phone, and the person say, oh, for this phone I want to sell it for 50,000 naira. Okay, so you now ask the person that is selling it, what if I should buy it or sell it this phone at, or sell it at 47,000? Try and bargain. Okay, the person should not say I'm selling this phone for 50,000 and you will go ahead and take it and start posting it for 50,000. So follow me carefully. So the person will say, I want to sell this phone for 50,000. Try and bargain. Bargain, let's say they ask the person if the person can sell for 45,000. So if the person accepts to sell for 45,000, what are you going to do? You are definitely going to come here and post it and put 45,000, right? Then you are wrong. When you bargain for 45,000 and the person says, okay, yes, I'm going to sell for 45,000, then ask the person, what if I help you and sell this phone? How much are you going to give me as commission? So the person will now say, okay, if you are going to sell this phone for 45,000, right, I am going to give you 3,000 naira commission, right? So good. Now you've reached an agreement with the person, right? Yes. So what are you going to do? Are you going to come and post that phone at 45,000? If you said yes, that means you are wrong. Don't do that. You will not be making more money. So I'm going to show you how you are going to earn extra money aside the agreed commission that the person wants to give you. So the person said, if you are to sell the phone for 45,000, I'm going to give you 3,000 naira commission. So if you are coming here to post that particular product, do not tag or put the price tag at 45,000. What you are going to do is you're going to put the price tag at probably 60,000 naira or 70,000 naira, depending on the the condition of the phone. Yes, the condition of the phone. So you put it at 45,000, sorry, you put it at 60,000 or 55,000, or make it 70,000. You know the reason why you're going to do that? First and foremost, this price you are seeing here, okay, this person said that this phone can be sold for 220,000. Now, when you want to contact this person, you have the privilege to negotiate. Yes, you don't just go ahead because the person wrote 220, you go and give the person 220. You that wants to buy it, you have privilege, you have the liberty of negotiating, pricing it down. Okay, so the reason why you are putting the phone at 60,000 is for in case the person wants to negotiate. So if the person wants to negotiate, the person can probably negotiate down to 55,000. So you see, when the person negotiate down to 55,000, you see you are going to get money out of it aside the agreed commission that the owner is going to give you. So let's say the person now finally price it down to 55,000, right? So and you sold the phone, right? So what you are going to do is to take out that amount you added to that 45,000 aside, then take out again the agreed commission that the owner said I'm going to pay you, which is 3,000. Then give the owner of the product the remaining money. So that is how you can be able to make money using this platform called Facebook, and using this, will I will also call it a platform in Facebook. Okay, using it to make money. It is called Facebook Marketplace. So how do you now upload your products, right? So let me show you how you can upload your products. So once you click on the Facebook Marketplace, go ahead and click here that says sell. All right, that means you want to upload products. This place are the product that people have uploaded in case you are coming in to buy, right? Yes. So if you are coming in to sell, then what you are going to do is click here that says sell. So let's go ahead and do that. So once you click on sell, we are going to see three options. We're going to see items, we're going to see vehicles, we're going to see homes for sale or rent. So if what you are coming here to sell is items like phone, laptop, wristwatch and the rest of them, click on items. But if you're what you're selling is vehicles, of course go ahead and click on vehicles. If you're what you want to sell is homes, you want to sell or rent homes, then of course go ahead, is no brainer, right? So go ahead and click on home. So what we are selling is item. Let's assuming what we are selling is items. So assuming what we are selling is phone, let's click on item, right? So once you click on item, this is the interface you are going to see. Okay, beautiful. I posted this thing on my Facebook Marketplace because I sold it. Okay, that's the reason why you are still seeing this picture here. All right, so but this is where you can be able to upload the pictures. Okay, so just go ahead and click on add photos. So once you click on add photos, you are going to see so many things on your gallery. Just go ahead and pick the particular one, the particular item you want to sell, right? So come over here that says title. Yes, so click or type in the title. If it is phone, type in the phone. If it is Samsung, if it is iPhone, go ahead and put the name of the phone, iPhone, whatever, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the rest, just the name of the item you want to sell. Over here, type in the price, amount you want to sell the phone. Okay, so come here and select the category. So what I am selling is a bulb. Okay, that is why I have to select light bulb. Okay, so but let's just click over here to see other categories that we have. Sorry, let's click over here and see. So these are the categories of the things you have to select. Okay, so let's go back. So the next thing we are going to do is to select the condition of the item we are going to be making use of. So click here. Sorry, I'm coming. So click here and you are going to select, is it used like new? Okay, so you select use like new. Is it used like it's good or fairly used? Just go ahead and select, the condition of the item you want to sell. Go ahead and make a choice. Then the next thing we are going to do is to type in the description. Yes, so the description is going to contain the name of the item you want to sell. If it is iPhone 17 Pro Max, type iPhone 17 Pro Max, type the RAM, mention the color, mention the internal storage, mention the, if it has any crack, mention if it has any problem. That is where you are going to be listing it, so that the person that wants to buy can go through the description and know the condition of the phone that you are selling to him or her. You can't post the name of the phone and without listing or describing the phone the phone has, and when you get a buyer, it's not going to be the buyer that will now identify the issue that the phone is having, and then the buyer will now end up saying, oh nah, I'm not going to buy this, and the buyer leaves. So that is the reason why you have to put every single thing in the description, so that the buyer can be able to see the condition of the phone and decide whether or not to buy. Okay, so any of the buyer that is going to come into your DM has potential of buying the phone or the buying the item, okay, because they've already gone through the condition of the phone or the condition of the item, and they've already said, okay, yes, I can still go ahead and buy it. So if they're coming to your DM, you have like up to 80 to 70 or 90% sure that they are going to buy. So that is what you are going to be doing in the description. So let's go ahead and go down. What else do we have to do? Okay, in case you don't want your friends to see the ad, go ahead and turn this on. All right. So but of course you really want your friends to see, because they are the number one customer that you are going to have. What do we have to do? Additional listing option. Yes. So this additional listing option is if you want to also send this advert or this item, if you want it to get to probably groups, then this is where you are going to click and select the groups that you want it to be published. So once you are done doing all those that, this is what you are going to do. Go ahead and click over here that says publish, right? And you are done. So once you click on publish, definitely you are going to be getting DMs, people sending you messages that they are interested, they want to buy, is this still available, and the rest of them. Close the deal. Get a piece of paper if your phone can be able to do it. So whichever thing you are discussing with a person, be writing it down and then putting down probably a few things that is going to remind you your conversation with this particular person. As the DM is coming, you understand what I'm talking about. If you have gotten to this point, you are doing great for yourself. Go ahead and click the like button in exchange of the value you are getting in today's video. And if you're yet up until 9, so join this beautiful family. I really don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that subscription button. Yes, scatter the subscription button, but hey, please do not forget to turn on the bell notification, because what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. All right, so that is how you can be able to make money every day without investment. The only thing you need is just your smartphone and internet access and your time. Okay, that is the only thing you need, and you start cashing out using this platform called Facebook. It's not only coming to watch content and entertain yourself, you can actually turn it into a money making machine. Right, so in case you think there's other ways that you can still make money using this platform called Facebook that I've not mentioned, then type it in the comment section and I'll definitely make another video explaining it in details for you guys. Hi there, I'm glad you stayed to the end of this video. See, the truth is that I decided to shoot this part of this video to appreciate you for staying to the end of this video. You are the real MVP, right? You are doing great. So in case you are looking for more ways you can be able to make money, or more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, then I recommend you click on this video you are seeing on the screen right now. Yes, I created this video personally for you, so click on the video and I'll definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning. Yes, keep winning, and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the other video, bye for now.